How to get routing number on Bank of America app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can get your routing number on the Bank of America app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to actually get your routing number on the Bank of America app, it's actually quite simple. You can open up the Bank of America application, but for this you first need to be signed into your account. So you can tap the login option, first agree to the terms and conditions, tap on login, enter your user ID and your password, then tap on the login option. Once you're logged in, just select the account you need your routing information for, scroll to the bottom of your account details and select account info, select view for your account and routing numbers. Then over there you will be able to find your routing numbers. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.